Hello and welcome to you all to this introductory video on my YouTube channel. Today, 26th of October 2020 is Vijayadashami, a day on which the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, is invoked. Vijayadashami is considered to be an auspicious occasion for starting a new venture. So when I thought of launching a YouTube channel meant for sharing educational videos, I could not think of a more appropriate occasion than Vijayadashami. Let me thank you all for tuning into this launching of my YouTube channel today. Before I introduce my channel to you, let us invoke the blessings of the Goddess by a beautiful song written by the famous Malayalam poet Sri Kaitappuram Damodaran Namboothiri, set to music by Sri Johnson Master and originally sung by Dr. K.J. Yeshudas. But the song that I'm going to play you now is sung by a close friend of mine, Sri Muralidhar Ji Shenoy. Recently, he sang this song and uploaded this on his social media platform. He has wonderfully sung this song, and I consider this to be a privilege to start my introductory YouTube video with the invocation by Sri Muralidhar Ji Shenoy. Let us listen.
ब्रह्मकमलं श्रीलकमाकिय नाद ब्रह्मसुधामयी ब्रह्मकमलं श्रीलकमाकिय नाद ब्रह्मसुधामयी वीणाधरी चातोदरी पाहि मां परिपाहि मां ब्रह्मकमलं श्रीलकमाकिय नाद ब्रह्मसुधामयी മാഹാത്മ്യലഹരിയിലെന്മനം സർഗസാഗരമാകേണം ദേവി മാഹാത്മ്യലഹരിയിലെന്മനം സർഗസാഗരമാകേണം നൈവേദ്യമന്ത്രാങ്കുരങ്ങളിൽ അമ്മേ അന്നപൂർണാമൃതമരുളേണം ആത്മപൂജാ മുദ്രകളിൽ ദേവി ഭാവതരംഗമുയർത്തേണം ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാക്കിയ നാദ ബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ ജന്മാന്തര പാപശിലകൾ പുണ്യസോപാനമായി മാറേണം ജന്മാന്തര പാപശിലകൾ പുണ്യസോപാനമായി മാറേണം പുണ്യാഹ ജലബിന്ദുവിൽ ദേവി കാരുണ്യവാരിധിയുണരേണം നിത്യവും ചേതന കരുണാമലയിൽ കരുണാമലയമാരുതനൊഴുകേണം ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാക്കിയ നാദബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയേ വീണാധരീ ചാതോധരീ പാഹി മാം പരിപാഹി മാം.
So let me thank Mr. Muralidhar Shenoy for this wonderful invocation of Devi Mukambika. Now, for those who don't know me, let me just give a brief introduction about myself. I am currently an associate professor at Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumakuru, Karnataka, and I have been working in SIT since September 1998. Before joining SIT, I worked for 2 years between 1996 and 98 as academic associate at Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. I hold a PhD in management from Vishweshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi, Karnataka, and I am a master's degree holder in commerce from Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, Kerala. My area of specialization is finance. My teaching interests include derivatives, risk management, investments, financial management, and cost accounting, etc. My research interests are mostly into commodity derivatives and financial markets. My publications are also related to commodity derivatives and financial markets. I have conducted training programs on commodity derivatives, on basics of finance, investment management. I have also conducted training programs titled Finance for Non-Finance Executives, which was sponsored by Ministry of MSME, Government of India. With this brief introduction, let me proceed to the launch of my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Finsight. Now, there is a brief history or an interesting story behind the name Finsight. In 2009, I organized a training program at Siddhaganga Institute of Technology on fundamentals of investments. This training program was targeted at salaried class individuals who were new to various fundamental concepts relating to investments. This 2-day program was a big success. About 70 people from various professions participated in this program. So when I was trying to give an appropriate name for this program, the title Finsight came to my mind. Later, I started a blog on finance, which was also titled as Finsight. Of course, of late, I have not been very regular in blogging. This name Finsight came from Financial Insights, or short form of this Financial Insights was Finsight. So when I decided to launch an educational channel on YouTube, which will be focused on educational videos and training programs relating to finance, it was quite natural for me to use the same name Finsight for this YouTube channel also. Let us look at what Finsight YouTube channel is all about. The content of this YouTube channel will be educational videos, which are meant for providing training to the target audience. This will have short videos of 10 to 15 minutes duration. Coverage of these videos will be financial management, cost management, investments, financial and commodity derivatives, financial markets, and the focus will be on fundamental concepts, practical applications, real life illustrations, and Excel applications. So basically, this YouTube channel is planning to come out with short videos on various fundamental concepts relating to financial management, investments, derivatives, markets, etc. You may have a standalone videos as well as a series of videos, which means some of the videos may be standalone in nature, whereas some other videos may be a series of videos. For example, if there is a concept which cannot be completely covered in one video, I will create a series of videos for that. And then those people who are interested in learning those concepts will have to watch them in the order of the series. Now, the target audience for this YouTube channel is basically students of management and commerce. It can be students of graduation level as well as post-graduation level. But that's not a limited scope. This YouTube channel videos can be used by anyone who is interested in learning the fundamental concepts relating to finance. So this is an attempt from my side to present the fundamental concepts of finance in a very easy to understand manner by giving as many real life examples as possible, and also to give you some tips on various Excel applications which are frequently used in finance. I hope this attempt from my side will be beneficial to the students as well as to those who are interested in learning the fundamentals of finance. Let me all thank you for joining this introductory video on my YouTube channel. I will be uploading videos shortly to my channel. Thank you all for watching. I request all of you to kindly subscribe to my channel and share this with all those people whom you think will be benefited from this YouTube channel. Thank you all.